You're watching How Leap, how to see archived stories on Facebook. Open the Facebook app and tap your profile picture in the top left to go to your profile. Below your cover photo, tap the More button. It might say See More or be three dots. From the menu, select Story Archive. This will open your archive, showing all your past stories that have expired. They are organized by date. You can tap on any story to view it. To share an archived story back to your profile, tap the three dots on the story and select Share to Profile. This will post it as a permanent post on your timeline. To delete an archived story, tap the three dots and select Delete. If you don't see Story Archive in the menu, you may need to enable it. Go to Settings and Privacy Settings. Privacy, your Facebook information activity log. Use the filters to find stories and manage them there. Another way is to go to your profile, tap the three dots under your bio, and select Activity Log. Filter by stories to see your archive. Facebook automatically saves your stories to the archive unless you turned it off in settings. You can also download your stories from the archive. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.